Good morning. Our changes start today. We see a cold front move through. It's going to introduce some cloud cover, some cooler temperatures, and eventually some rain today. So things are starting up for us, though our winter weather headlines don't really take effect until tomorrow. Tomorrow early morning in our western viewing area and not until the evening in the east. All of us under some sort of headline, but a few of our counties out west, the James River Valley, have been upgraded now to a winter storm warning. The rest of us still in a watch, still watching for those conditions to develop. So here's what we've got going on. There's a cold front moving through the valley right now, and we'll see a temperature change on the backside of this. Will be a lot cooler. You can see some cloud cover associated with it too. Out ahead of it, we've got clear skies. It's still pretty nice out there ahead of the cold front. Until that moves through, it'll be a good morning in areas. You can see some snow out to the west, and eventually behind this front, we'll watch the rain develop, start to fill in as we head into the rest of the day today. So here's a look at our temperatures right now. You can see we're a little milder to the southeast, some low 50s there, 56 in Fargo, 45 in Grand Forks, 45 in Langdon, and over in Devil's Lake. Most areas reporting good visibility except one spot. Candu's at a half-mile right now, so low visibility there, and that's an area that's also dealing with some stronger wind gusts. We've got a gust to 33 straight out of the north in Langdon. Fargo also seeing a little bit of wind out of the southeast, gusting to 23 there. So again, starting off our Wednesday with some pretty nice weather at the southeast. Up to the northwest, we're looking at, again, that potential for cloud cover, some rain showers. Even early this morning, we could see some spotty areas of sprinkles and light rain. Colder temperatures there today as well. Heading into the noon hour, the clouds do try to advance to the south and east, but again, still looking like somewhat of a good day, at least in the first half of the day, to the south and east, where our temperatures will still be into the 60s. But as we head through the afternoon, you can see the front starts to move through. Temperatures drop during what would be typically the warmest time of day in Fargo. Out to the southeast, still ahead of this, into the 60s. To the northwest, much cooler, 30s for us by 5 o'clock this afternoon. So a big range in temperatures, spotty areas of showers, and even some snow showers as we continue into the nighttime hours tonight. So through the overnight, you could see more rain starts to fill into the valley. And eventually, as we start the day on Thursday, we're looking at soaking rain showers in the eastern part of our viewing area, even along the Red River, and that snow changing over and filling in as well over to the west. So Devil's Lake will be kind of that first area starting off with accumulating snow. This is 6 a.m. Thursday. This is that first phase in the storm system. With that rain-snow transition line we've been talking about as well, setting up somewhere here in the valley, eastern North Dakota most likely, in the early part of the day. Gradually, this tries to move east, but during that time, we're looking at accumulating snow happening in our western viewing area for some time. So Devil's Lake down in the James River Valley as well, picking up a good amount of snow, heavy snow at times, low visibility as well. And eventually that line again starts to transition to the east. Meanwhile, in our eastern viewing area, we're stuck with rain, more rain in that area. And then in pink here, that's where that transition zone is. We could be dealing with some sleet, some freezing rain in this spot as well until that moves over to snow as we head into the nighttime hours for Thursday night. So this is going to be a gradual process during the day Thursday. Some of us in the east may only get rain, and those of us out to the west, again, picking up that accumulating snow with this system. So again, we're looking at the first round here for potential snowfall, and we'll be picking up that snow out to the west, and there are more likely going to be areas of up to about 10 inches of snow in places like Devil's Lake in this first round, and then a sharp cutoff, and then the rest of us only getting the rain with this first round through Thursday. Into Friday, we start to see more of that snow move into the rest of the valley. There's going to be some warm air, some drier air trying to work its way, mix its way into this system, and that could cause a big cutoff on snowfall totals as well in the east. So right now, it does look like the heaviest snowfall overall with this system will happen in the west, though all of us still have that chance Friday and into Saturday. That's also when the most intense part of this storm will be in the valley, and we're looking at very strong winds, potential whiteout conditions, and tough travel Friday and into Saturday. So again, a messy situation. So this is a look again at the overall snowfall potential for this system through Saturday. You could see the core of heaviest snow most likely to the west in both the American and European models, though that doesn't mean we won't see snow in the east, but it could be a very sharp drop off here. Potential impacts, we're looking at difficult travel by the time we get into Friday and Saturday, maybe even impossible travel. Early season events means the potential for tree damage with leaves still on the trees and heavy snow on that as well, bringing down branches and potentially power issues. You know, temperatures are going to drop below freezing, so if you haven't taken care of your hoses outdoors, today's the day to do that. Looking at some localized flooding with the heavy rain in areas, and of course threat to agriculture as well. And watch out for that wind. It's going to get really strong as we head into Friday and Saturday, 50, maybe 50+ mile-per-hour wind gusts. So this is just going to be a mess no matter how you look at it. Even if you don't see much snow, it's still going to be a tough system as we work our way toward the end of the week.
Pretty miserable.
Basically, yeah.
Thank you, Lisa.
Coming up, we're going to check in with city workers as they prep the streets for that incoming snow. Stick around.